Rainy days can be surprisingly successful for vendors at your local farmers market. In this video, we're going to go over some of those reasons why that is, and as a vendor, you want to try your best not to be a fair weather vendor. I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. We're your #1 source for vendor empowerment and knowledge. Lower competition. Some vendors will choose not to set up on a rainy day, and that creates less competition overall at the farmers market for those that come out to shop and want to find a deal. Visibility. Those who do come out and set up on a rainy day have a greater chance of being noticed and making sales. Now we're going to talk about customer behavior. You have dedicated buyers. Customers who come out during the rain are more dedicated to making purchases, and it often leads to a higher conversion rate for more products that you sell. And it's intentional shopping. Customers that come out during the rain are more intent on making a purchase. They know what they want to buy, but that also leads to them being exposed to other products that they might not see regularly at a full market, and it's going to increase your sales. Loyalty and trust. It's about building that relationship. Customers that come out during the rain are often more loyal customers, and when they see you selling during the rain, it's going to strengthen that bond, it's going to build your brand identity, and it's going to create fiercely loyal customers that support you even on the non-rainy days. Positive impressions. Vendors that sell during rainy days as well as good days create a reputation for themselves as being reliable and dependable, and that's something customers look for when they choose to purchase from a vendor. It creates unique opportunities like product exclusivity. On a rainy day, there's normally less vendors, which means there's less products, and those less products make them more desirable to customers that brave the rain to come out and shop the local market. And special deals. Vendors can offer special deals and promotions to help attract customers during those rainy days, and that oftentimes leads to greater sales at the market. It increases your engagement opportunities. You get to give better personalized service. On a rainy day, there's fewer vendors, which means the customers get to come in and spend more time with you, creating a more personalized experience for you and them, which often leads to building more loyal customers that come back and support you. And you can use that time to educate customers. When you have less vendors, those customers get to spend more time with you, and you can educate them on your products. You can give them recipes or ideas for your products, which oftentimes leads to expanded sales. Rainy days create a unique atmosphere. It creates a cozy experience for the customer. When customers come out and shop on a rainy day, they tend to linger longer in your booth, which creates a more intimate experience for them that they're not going to receive on a day that it's not raining and full of vendors. So that cozy atmosphere is something that you can use to grow your customer base, create new customers, and create loyal customers. And shopping in the rain can create a memorable experience for not only the customer, but also for the vendor. When vendors come out and shop in the rain, it's a unique experience, and oftentimes it's something that they're not going to forget. And if you are engaging with those customers, creating a personal experience for them, they're not going to forget you as a vendor. They want to support you, and they're going to come back and support you. Now we're going to talk about sales and marketing on a rainy day. You want to use social media to let folks know that you're going to be selling when it's raining. It's going to help create a buzz for you and your business. It's going to help get customers out there to support you during a rainy day, and it's also going to help them to experience that atmosphere of a rainy day market, which really, unless it's just torrentially downpouring, is a great experience for both the vendor and the customer. And you can create weather-related promotions for that market. You can give discounts, buy one, get one free, buy two, get four. Whatever the promotion is, you can create a weather-related promotion for a rainy day market, which creates buzz, and it helps get customers out to the market to support you on that rainy day. It creates a resilient branding image. When a customer comes to a market and they see you not only there on good, dry, sunny days, but they see you there on a rainy day, it creates an image of reliability, of resilience, and it's something that customers, when they come to a market, they want to support. And there's financial benefits to selling at a market on a rainy day. It's more constant income coming in for you as a vendor. When you're selling only on sunny days, you're missing out on a lot of sale opportunities that you potentially could make on a rainy day. So when you're there when it's raining, you're going to increase your revenue stream and you're going to create more loyal customers that are also going to support you and help increase your revenue stream. And it's going to create repeat business. When customers know that they can come find you on rainy days as well as sunny days, then you're going to create more sales, your brand is going to grow, and that's the type of vendor that customers, when they come to a farmer's market, want to support. They want to support the reliable vendor. They want to know when they show up to the market, whether it's a great weather day or whether it's a rainy day, that you're going to be there, that you're dependable, and they're going to support that every time at the local farmer's market. And there's operational advantages to selling at a market in the rain. You're going to improve your skills as a vendor. When you sell in the rain or on sunny days, it's going to increase your operational ability. It's going to give you comfort and it's going to give you strength as a vendor selling so that you can handle varying conditions at the market, whether it starts out sunny and then it becomes rainy, or it starts out rainy and becomes sunny. You're going to be able to transition seamlessly from one element to the other and make you a better vendor at the markets. And it's going to make you more efficient as a vendor. Learning to set up on rainy days and learning to set up on sunny days, those variant conditions are going to allow you to be more efficient. You're going to learn to streamline your operation. You're going to learn how to quickly set up and how to quickly tear down, which overall makes you a better vendor at the markets. So rainy days create a unique experience for the customer and the vendor. It allows you to stand out as a vendor at the market. It allows you to create loyal customers, create that reputation for being dependable, and overall, it increases your success at a vendor at your local farmer's market. I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. We hope these tips and guidance help you, and we can't wait to see you guys at the local market.